Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look like this today because we are going to be doing some Gua Sha. I was at Whole Foods and what do you know? I found this little guy at Whole Foods and I purchased it. This one is made from stainless steel, but they have this kind of tool made from stone, even like wood. There's different materials that you can get this tool made from, and the prices vary. Like I was looking online and some go for like 80 plus, and I was in shock. They say when it's made from a higher quality material that it's better for your skin. It releases like some type of vibration. I wasn't about to invest that much in a tool that I have not even tried, so I don't even know if it's gonna work for me. So I just thought, you know what, let me just get this little guy. It's stainless steel and it's not 80 something bucks. Gua Sha, it helps revitalize your complexion, and when you're doing these motions, it promotes blood circulation in your face, and that's what gives you that nice complexion. It also helps promote lymphatic drainage, which is really good for puffiness or any type of inflammation. It helps to relieve those symptoms because you're like kind of helping with the detoxification of your face, I guess you could say. Gua Sha is actually an ancient Chinese healing technique that's been used for centuries. It's gentle and very powerful, that's what they say, and let's go ahead and test it out. This brand that I got is called Kitsch. I guess that's how you say it. It's great for sculpting your facial muscles for a natural contour, and it also says it has a cooling effect and it soothes puffy skin. You want to start with a clean face. My face, I just woke up, so I had cleansed it, washed it. You could do this on clean skin, or I don't know if you could do it on, like, you know, if you already did your skincare routine, you went about your day and then you're like, oh, I want to do some Gua Sha. I'm pretty sure you could do it. You want to make sure that you have some type of oil on your skin, so this tool can easily glide on your skin. I'm going to be using this carrot seed oil. I got this on Amazon. You can use any oil. Like I also have this drunk elephant virgin marula oil. You could use like jojoba oil, almond oil, whatever kind of oil you have, coconut oil. Lather it on your face and you're just going to be gliding this baby on. Go ahead and apply some of this oil. Use half a dropper full, and I'm about to take off my nose ring. I just put it on my eye. I'm not going to be gua shaing my eye, but I'm just going to put this oil all over my face. Let's just do it on my neck too. So they say before you actually gua sha, there's like pressure points in your face and in your neck, and you want to activate those. So when you're doing it's a lot more beneficial to your skin. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So the first pressure point that we're gonna do is under your armpit. So you do that 10 times. You just go in circular motion. 7, 8, 9, 10. The next one you do is on your collarbones right here. You just rub it 10 times, and then you go behind your ear right here. Okay, you go 10 times. And then you also do it right next to your nose, kind of like a pulsing motion. And then you also go in between the eyebrows 10 times. Now we could actually start the Gua Sha. So we're going to do our jawline first. See, there's a long part and a short part. The long part is going to go down, and then the short part will go up, and you go up here and then down. Up, down. You want to use medium pressure. You don't want to like go too hard, and you just do this 10 times. I'm already getting red. The redness is good. The redness means like you got blood flow going. I got a lot of blood flow going on in my face, guys. Like you touch my face and my face is like, ooh. Wow, this is already feeling like, it's like kind of feeling like burning a little bit. It's crazy. Now we're going to go ahead and do our cheek. Okay, we're going to go up. You guys, I'm getting so red. You see that? Okay, that's 10. Do the nose. Okay, we're going to go like this 10 times. You guys, I'm looking like a hot mess right now. So funny. Okay. And now let's go in circular motion against the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Okay, so I did this side. Let's go ahead and do this next side. Again, the long part goes down, the short side goes up. You could also take it around your ear, go all the way down. Up around your ear, all the way down. Okay, I'm not even using a lot of pressure, guys, and my skin is getting red. Let me take this thing off me. Now let's use the smooth part right here. And we're gonna do upward motion. Okay, now let's do the side of the nose. I'm just gonna go circular motion 10 times. Now we do upward motion. So say when you do the Gua Sha, you can use this curved part for under your eyes, like that. I actually like that. That's not bad. Yeah. I've never done this before, but I actually like it. Yeah, and then that's it. This is my skin after the Gua Sha. What do you guys think? I actually like it. I feel like my skin just has more color to it. Alright, I just finished doing Gua Sha. What do you guys think of my skin compared to the beginning of the video? Does it look any different? Does it have more of a glow to it? I feel like the glow is because maybe I put this oil on, you know, because my skin didn't really have anything on it. So maybe the glow is from the oil, but I don't know. I really feel like my skin, like the way my skin feels, it has like a little burning sensation to it. Obviously because I went over it so many times. So I don't know what that burning sensation is. Is that like my lymphatic system being activated or something? I know like there's blood flow going on in my skin for sure, but I feel it mainly like in the bottom area of my face. Not so much here. I feel it more like here. There's a lot of like burning sensation, and it's not like burning like, oh my god, it hurts. It's just like, you know, it's like a sensation, like you feel something is going on over there. Like, you know, when you hit the gym and you do a cardio session and your body just like burns sometimes, that's how it feels right here. I don't know why, but yeah, that's basically it for this review, guys. I think I'm definitely going to be doing this a lot more and kind of incorporating it into my skincare routine. Maybe I'll do it every night before I go to sleep. That's it for this review and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Comment below if you've tried Gua Sha or if you are thinking of trying it. If you've tried Gua Sha before, let me know how you like it, if it's worked for you, how long you've been doing it and all that, because I'm a total newbie. I don't know much about it. I've just seen this online and I just tried it out for the first time, but I'm for sure going to incorporate this into my routine because it's so easy and simple. You know, it's just stroking your skin like whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it for this video, guys. See you guys in my next one. Bye.